Hello, my name is Nikhil. I'm a rising senior at Los Gatos High School, and for my main project I created the CNC plotter. And so this is my final milestone, so here's a quick demo of it working. Alright, and so since my last milestone, what I've done was put up the z-axis, which is the pen moving up and down. And I did this by cutting out this piece from my CD drive box, which had a slider on it, and then I connected a stepper motor to the slider using fishing wire, so that the stepper motor or the servo motor could move freely. And then that's how I did it. And then I uploaded the code, and then I realized that there was this problem because when I tried to print out something, what would happen was the pen would get off center and off position. And so what I did after some research was I found that there was this problem with the command I was using, microstep, and that made the torque less, and which caused the pen to not move if it had to do like a small little movement or something, and which would make it off center. And so to fix this, I used the command interleave, which did not make the torque be lost. And so yeah, now it works. Thanks.